Hey everybody, thanks for tuning in. So unfortunately, I lost the first half of the video of me, I guess, restoring this old scroll saw that I ended up buying through my local Craigslist. Basically, with the first half of the video, I kind of just, showed you how I cleaned the cast iron table. I ended up replacing the vinyl tubing, as well as a little air diaphragm that was ripped, which I talk about in the second half of the video. The second half of the video is more or less just kind of showing you how everything's kind of working together and how, once I put on the new parts and clean the cast iron top, how everything kind of looks. So this is the little air diaphragm thing that I'm talking about. And like I said, I talk about it in the second half of the video, how I end up replacing it. I basically use a little Lucas bottle that you can get pretty much at any kind of Mexican candy place that they sell. Here they have it like at H-E-B, and Walmart I think carries it too. So you can pretty much get those little Lucas bottles anywhere they sell like Mexican candy. So anyways, here's the second half of the video. Thanks for tuning in. Okay, so check it out. I went ahead and did that modification that I was mentioning about, I mentioned earlier. Let me just show you. That way, I'm gonna take this off. That way I can see what I did. And like I said, if it helps any of you guys or whatever, great. If not, I mean, I just kind of wanted to share the information here, but so check it out. Let me take this off. Let's see here. Will this cover? Okay, so hopefully you can see that that's the new one. Unfortunately, I threw away the old one, which is that little the black boot thingy. But this one works just as well. What I ended up doing is I kind of cut one of the ridges off, and then the original black piece that had the little nipple sticking out of it where the hose would go into, I pretty much glued that, or I put it in here and I kind of glued it in there. So yeah, there you can, it's on there. And then I ran that new that line, the vinyl tubing that I found at the aquatic section of the this one right here. So this is the tubing, the new tubing I put on, and this was that little Lucas thing. And let me kind of show you guys. Let me turn it faster. Actually is let's see. So you can see that's the wind blowing. That's the air blowing it. Let me slow it down a bit. But that's this little thing. So it is working. So yeah, it works. I got it to work. This part, unfortunately, I couldn't salvage it. I So this was the original part that went on here. So I'm kind of just using this as a temporary fix for now. This lever, unfortunately, didn't hold up either. I mean, I epoxied it on there and everything, but as soon as I cranked down on it to tighten it or to loosen the this bolt right here, that's actually where it went. It just pretty much snapped off. So I'm gonna hopefully reach out to Delta or see if I can find this lever anywhere. Hopefully it hasn't been discontinued yet. Oh, and this is the it's the air diaphragm is what it's called. So like I said, if your air diaphragm is messed up, if you have something similar that has a similar setup, if you get one of those little Lucas tubes, just empty it out, clean it out, wash it out, and then like I said, you pretty much just have to cut one ridge, and then the original piece of that black tubing, the one that has a nipple, is what you can actually take off from the original air diaphragm and just put it into this new one, and it works just as well as the original. So hopefully that helps you guys. Thanks again for watching.